Ever feel like your ideas get lost in a sea of tabs? Meet Mindrift.ai, your new creative company that turns your Mindrift into actionable insights. Whether you are brainstorming, organizing, or seeking inspiration, Mindrift.ai is here to help you navigate the currents of your creativity. Let's drift and discover together. So, first of all you have to do is dive into Mindrift.ai. This is the homepage. So, first of all, let's know what is Mindrift. So Mindrift, a community of experts dedicated to generating high-quality data for improving AI, composed of AI tutors, freelance experts, writers, and editors committed to innovation and excellence, will leverage collective knowledge and skills to pioneer the next generation of generative AI models. And here we have some things like join the elite improving EA, get paid to write, edit, or annotate content for EA on the platform built for humans with complex time and location flexibility. Then here we have choose own path, no EA experience required. And here we have why should you try it. It's flexible, great community, get paid frequently also. And here we have AI trends should be fun with our community. It is. We have here interview with Partra, podcast with Tanisha, interview with Emma. And here we have some questions. So like Mindrift, getting started, how you can get in start, then qualification, pay, hours, and here we have learn more and apply to join. We have here first is writer, editor, domain expert, annotate. So to apply, all I have to do is click over here. So let's choose first of all how you can earn money as a writer using Mindrift.ai. So you click over here. So you write your first name, you write your last name, then your email, phone number, country also, then your length and profile, personal website, and you click over here if you are agree in these two important notes. So to earn money as a writer using Mindrift.ai, you can just leverage the platform's features to enhance your writing processes, generate ideas, and streamline content creation. Here are some specific ways you can monetize your writing skills. So first of all, we have content creation and freelance writing like articles and blog posts. The second thing is self-publishing like ebooks, courses, and guides. We have also copywriting and marketing content like ad copy and sales page content marketing. The fourth one is creative writing like fiction and poetry and script script writing. Then the fifth one we have affiliate marketing and sponsored content like affiliate reviews, sponsored content, and the last one is editing and proofreading areas for improvement. So I'll give you just how you can earn money as a writer using Mindrift. So then we have the second one is as an editor. So you click over apply now and you write your first name, also last name, email address, phone number, country also, then length and profile, personal websites also. Then you click over here if you are agree in those things. So as an editor, you can use Mindrift.ai to enhance your editing services and streamline your workflow. Here are several ways to earn money as an editor using Mindrift.ai. So the first one is freelance editing services like copy editing, developmental editing, and the second one is content review and feedback like manuscript review also. Then we have the third one is editorial consultant, author coaching like content strategy consulting and coaching. Fourth one is content creation and management, like creating anthologies, managing editorial projects. The fifth one, we have educational service like editing guides and ebooks. And the sixth one is the sixth one and the last one is affiliate marketing and partnership, like promoting tools and services. So this is it how you can earn money as an editor. So as a domain expert, so let's come back here and scrolling down again and click as a domain expert here. We click over apply now. So you write first name, last name, email, phone number, country, LinkedIn profile, personal website. You click over those things, then you click over submit application. So as a domain expert, you have specialized knowledge in a particular field, and there are many ways to monetize this expertise. Here are some strategies to earn money as a domain expert. The first strategy is consulting and advisory services like consulting. The second one is content creation and publishing, writing articles and ebooks, online courses and workshops like. And the third one is speaking engagement and webinars, like public speaking, webinars, and online events. The fourth one is expert witness and legal consulting, like expert witness. Then the fifth one is coaching and mentoring, one-on-one coaching or group coaching and masterminds. The sixth one is developing and selling specialist products like proprietary tools and resources specialist membership sets and subscription also. And the last one is academic and research opportunities like teaching and academia, grants and funding. So this is it as a domain expert. So if you choose the one you want and you write your personal information, then you submit the application and you start earning money with Mindrift. In the home page here we have other things like annotators here. So here we have who are we looking for. We have here work part-time in a novel way, collaborate, be flexible, explore EA projects and research. We have here blog, fake. You can just click over the one you want and read more information about it. And we have here about us, and this is the definition of Mindrift. Then we have annotators also here. Here we have editors. You choose if you are writer, editor, or domain expert. So that's it for Mindrift. So Mindrift.ea offers a versatile platform for earning money by tapping into creative and intellectual pursuits. Whether you are a writer, editor, content creator, consultant, or entrepreneur, Mindrift.ea can help you streamline your processes, generate new ideas, and enhance the quality of your work. By leveraging its tools and features, you can efficiently produce high quality content, develop marketable products, and offer valuable services. The platform's ability to assist in brainstorming, organizing, and refining ideas makes it an infallible resource for turning your skills and creativity into profitable ventures. With Mindrift.ai, you can unlock new income streams and maximize your earning potential by transforming innovative ideas into tangible results. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.